Losing your erection is a topic for rationalization. Yeah, I'm just tired today, and both you and your partner will accept it. But what if it turns into an obsessive fear? What if it starts happening again? Fear can kill all desire. If you've ever lost your erection during sex and experienced that excruciating embarrassment, you're part of a real medical phenomenon that affects 67% of men at some point in their lives. What I'm about to tell you will bring clarity, because the real causes of this phenomenon are completely treatable once you understand what's really going on. I'm Dr. Laura Bennett, urologist with 15 years helping men understand and overcome erectile challenges. Today, I'm breaking down the real medical causes behind erection loss during sex and giving you a practical action plan that addresses the root problems. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this happens, what you can control, and a systematic approach that's helped thousands of my patients regain confidence. Let me tell you about David. David was 39, married with 2 kids, healthy and active. But during sex, he'd start strong, then lose his erection halfway through. The frustration was destroying his confidence and putting strain on his marriage. When David came to see me, I explained something crucial. Losing erections during sex isn't a character flaw or aging problem. It's a medical issue with identifiable causes and effective solutions. Research shows that 67% of men experience erection loss during sex at some point. This isn't rare or abnormal. It's common enough that we have extensive medical understanding of why it happens. The key insight is that maintaining an erection requires multiple body systems working perfectly together. When any one system has issues, the whole process can fail. Understanding these systems is the first step to fixing the problem. Your ability to maintain an erection depends on 3 interconnected systems. When urologists evaluate erection problems, we examine each system systematically. System 1, vascular function. Your erection is fundamentally a blood flow event. Blood must flow in through arteries and be trapped by compressing the veins. Problems in either direction cause erection loss. Cardiovascular issues are the #1 cause of erection problems in men over 35. High blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and even early heart disease often show up as erection problems first. I've seen patients whose erection issues led us to discover serious cardiovascular problems that needed immediate treatment. Your penis is like a canary in a coal mine for your heart health. System 2, neurological function. Your nervous system controls the entire erection process. Stress, anxiety, depression, and even poor sleep disrupt the nerve signals that maintain erections. Performance anxiety creates a vicious cycle. You worry about losing your erection, which triggers stress hormones that actually cause you to lose your erection, confirming your fears. System 3, hormonal balance. Testosterone, cortisol, and other hormones directly affect erectile function. Low testosterone, high stress hormones, or thyroid problems can all cause erection difficulties. Many men don't realize that chronic stress, poor sleep, and even being overweight significantly impact hormonal balance and erectile function. After evaluating thousands of patients, I've identified the most common real causes of erection loss during sex. These aren't mysterious or untreatable. They're medical conditions with proven solutions. Cause 1, performance anxiety and stress. This is the most common cause in men under 50. Once you lose an erection during sex, the fear of it happening again can become self-fulfilling. Stress hormones like cortisol directly interfere with the blood flow and nerve signals needed for erections. Even work stress or relationship tension can show up in the bedroom. Cause 2, cardiovascular problems. In men over 40, circulation issues become increasingly common. High blood pressure medications, diabetes, smoking, and lack of exercise all impact blood flow. The blood vessels in your penis are smaller than those in your heart. Cardiovascular problems often affect erections before you have chest pain or other obvious symptoms. Cause 3, lifestyle factors. Alcohol, smoking, lack of exercise, poor sleep, and being overweight all directly impact erectile function. These are completely controllable factors that many men don't realize are connected. Cause 4, medication. Side effects. Blood pressure medications, antidepressants, and even some allergy medications can interfere with erections. Many men don't make this connection. David's evaluation revealed elevated blood pressure and chronic work stress, two treatable conditions that were sabotaging his sexual function. Based on medical research and clinical experience, here's a systematic approach that works for addressing erection loss during sex. Phase 1, medical evaluation, week 1. Get a complete physical, including blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and testosterone levels. Many erection problems are actually symptoms of treatable medical conditions. If you're on medications, review them with your doctor. Sometimes switching to a different blood pressure medication or antidepressant can solve the problem completely. Phase 2, lifestyle optimization, weeks 2 to 4. Address the controllable factors that impact erectile function. This isn't about perfection. It's about making changes that directly improve blood flow and reduce stress. Cardiovascular exercise improves blood flow throughout your body, including to your penis. Even 30 minutes of walking daily makes a measurable difference. Sleep quality directly affects testosterone production and stress hormones. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep often improves erectile function within weeks. Phase 3, stress and anxiety management, weeks 3 to 6. Address the psychological component through proven techniques. This isn't about willpower, it's about retraining your nervous system. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques help break the performance anxiety cycle. When you're less anxious, your body can function normally. Communication with your partner reduces pressure and creates a supportive environment for recovery. Phase 4, medical intervention if needed, week 6 plus. If lifestyle changes don't fully resolve the issue, medical treatments are highly effective. This might include medications, hormone therapy, or specialized treatments. The key is working with a urologist who understands that erectile function problems are medical issues requiring systematic evaluation and treatment. David followed this systematic approach. His medical evaluation revealed mild high blood pressure that we treated with lifestyle changes and eventually medication. He started exercising regularly, improved his sleep habits, and learned stress management techniques. We also worked on communication with his wife so she could be supportive rather than adding pressure. Within 3 months, David's erection problems were completely resolved. More importantly, his overall health improved significantly. "I wish I'd come to see you years earlier," David told me. "I thought this was just something I had to live with. Now I understand it was a medical problem with real solutions." David's experience illustrates something crucial. Erection problems during sex usually have identifiable medical causes and respond well to systematic treatment. If you're experiencing erection loss during sex, here's your practical action plan based on medical evidence. Immediate steps this week: schedule a complete physical with your primary care doctor. Request blood work including cholesterol, blood sugar, and testosterone levels. Review all medications with your doctor to identify potential side effects affecting sexual function. Short-term changes. Next month. Start cardiovascular exercise. Even walking 30 minutes daily improves blood flow measurably. Prioritize sleep quality by maintaining consistent sleep schedules and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Limit alcohol consumption, especially before sex, as it directly impairs erectile function. Ongoing support. Next 3 months. Consider counseling if stress or anxiety are contributing factors. Performance anxiety responds well to cognitive behavioral therapy. Communicate openly with your partner about the medical nature of the problem and your treatment plan. Follow up with a urologist if initial changes don't resolve the issue completely. Losing your erection during sex isn't a personal failure or inevitable aging. It's a medical issue with real causes and effective treatments. The systematic approach I've outlined addresses the actual medical factors that cause erection problems rather than trying to mask symptoms. David's story shows what's possible when you address erection problems as medical issues requiring proper evaluation and treatment. Your sexual health is part of your overall health. Taking care of the underlying medical causes often improves your energy, mood, and confidence in addition to sexual function. Don't suffer in silence or accept this as normal aging. Modern medicine has excellent solutions for erectile problems once we identify and address the real causes. Hit subscribe if this medical perspective was helpful. Share this with any man who needs to understand that erection problems are treatable medical conditions. Comment below. Have you noticed connections between your overall health and sexual function? Understanding these connections is the first step to effective treatment. Remember, you're not broken and you're not alone. These are common medical issues with proven solutions when approached systematically. Take action on your health. Your confidence and your relationship will benefit from addressing the real medical causes rather than ignoring them.